If you've been following the air purifier market lately, you've probably noticed that the Oasis iAdaptAir 2.0 Accelerated Whole Home HEPA Air Purifier Bundle has been getting a lot of attention. I've been getting a ton of messages asking me to review this product, and I decided it was time to dive in and see what all the fuss is about. With air pollution being a growing concern, it's no wonder people are looking for effective solutions to clean the air in their homes. And this bundle seems to be a popular choice. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon. So, let's get into the benefits of this air purifier bundle. One of the main reasons I think people are drawn to this product is that it's a complete whole home solution, meaning you get 5 air purifiers that can cover multiple rooms and areas of your home. This is especially useful for people who have pets or allergies, as it can help capture up to 99% of common allergens and mold particles. I've been using the medium-sized units in my bedrooms, and I've noticed a significant reduction in dust and pet dander. The large unit is perfect for living rooms or bigger spaces, while the Pro unit is designed for even more heavy-duty air cleaning. Another benefit of this bundle is the 5-stage medical-grade filtration system, which includes HEPA and ionization. This means that not only will it capture larger particles like dust and pollen, but it will also break down smaller particles like smoke and mold. I've been running these units for a few weeks now, and I've been impressed by how quiet and energy efficient they are. They're perfect for running in the background, even in bedrooms, without disturbing you or running up your energy bill. The fact that they're so quiet and efficient is a huge plus, especially if you're planning to run them 24/7. In terms of practical benefits, I think this air purifier bundle is a great choice for people who want to improve the air quality in their homes without having to worry about constantly replacing filters or dealing with loud machinery. The units are also relatively compact, making them easy to place in any room without taking up too much space. Additionally, the bundle is designed to be easy to use, with intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface. One thing to keep in mind is that while this bundle is a great solution for whole home air purification, it may not be the most affordable option up front. However, considering the long-term benefits and the fact that you're getting 5 units, I think it's a worthwhile investment for people who are serious about improving their indoor air quality. On the positive side, the units are very effective, quiet, and energy efficient, making them a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable air purification system. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Oasis iAdaptAir 2.0 Accelerated Whole Home HEPA Air Purifier Bundle, and I think it's a great choice for anyone looking to improve the air quality in their home. If you're interested in learning more or checking the latest price, the link is down in the description below.